This is the Ashburton Avenue by the gas station, Ashburton, and Old Sawmill River Road. Reports of a person shot at that store. At this point, I don't know much more than what I'm saying, but there is a gunshot victim inside that the Deli Store. I don't know the condition. I don't know if he was shot inside or if he was shot outside and ran inside. I don't know much about this time. This just happened. The victim still inside. It's a lady?
It's guy.
Oh, thank you. I just heard that the victim was shot inside the store. I don't know how serious. Okay, crime tape is coming up. As you guys can see, Ashburton is now closed due to traffic from east to west. The officers are setting up the crime scene. They tie up, they make sure that the entire scene is blocked.
Find the car over there, it's back over there. Thank you.
¿Cómo tú estás? ¿Tú estabas allá adentro?
Sí, porque yo no le quiero decir a los policías.
No, a mí me dicen nada más.
Oye, ¿qué fue lo que pasó? Ellos le dieron un tiro, ¿verdad?
Adentro.
Ajá, un tiro. Y después agarraron y subieron para arriba, para Walnut. Para arriba, todo derecho, subiendo, dos morenos.
Dos morenos.
Con la cara capada.
¿Y ahí le dieron el tiro a dónde?
Yo no sé, pero yo creo que le dieron en la barriga, pues.
La barriga.
¿Qué pasó?
¿Y cómo está tu mamá?
Todo bien.
I mean, tu abuelo.
Está todo bien, gracias a Dios.
So, let me just tell you more or less what I hear. There is two suspects. They shot the man. People at the scene tell me they believe he was shot in the stomach. They shot him, they pushed him in, and they ran up towards Walnut. That's all I know at this moment. Okay, I'm being asked to move. The investigating, so I'm stepping back. Let me step back behind the.
Yeah.
Let me step. You got it, bro. As you guys know, now this is a crime scene, so they taping it so people don't walk toward, step on the evidence. I'm good over here, right? Okay, the gentleman that you just saw walking by, the police officer told him to. No. You don't want me to stretch it so you can tie it?
Yeah, I'm gonna tie that side. Oh, yeah. Wait for the ambulance.
Oh, okay. So the gentleman that you just saw walking by and the police officer allow him to walk in to go toward this gentleman? That's the father of the victim. He said, "That's my son. That's my son." And I believe now they told him which hospital the victim might be taking, and he's rushing back to the car. And
Alright, I'll be on the other side.
for those that are just logging in, let me tell you what I know is going on now. Not necessarily 100% correct, because as you guys know, I hear from the people on the street, and sometimes multiple people might be looking at exactly the same thing, but they have different versions. So they're saying that a man was shot inside that store. Two people shot him. Of course, only one pulled the trigger, but there were two people shot him, push him inside the store, and then run upwards on Walnut Street. That's what I've been told. Oh. It's repeat. Hey, Sarge. How's the family?
Good. Very good. Back to the car.
Okay, now I'm being asked to move back because they're going to investigate. So they're asking me to move all the way back to the other street. So I guess now they're blocking the whole road so they can do whatever they need to do. You gonna tape it here? Officer.
About the black pole there.
Which one is your store? Which one is your store?
Yeah, everybody's okay in there.
Yeah, everybody's fine in there. Everybody's fine. Okay. You're gonna be able to get it. You gotta give it a little while.
I gotta close the store because no, he got it for
Is that all you got?
There should be plenty.
I'll see if I got it. Right now,
Okay, guys, I'm going to leave. This is all there is to see. So let me just recap so those that are just logging in know what's going on. This is intersection of Ashburton Avenue and also Mill River Road. Inside that little store, the Deli Store, a man was just shot. I believe there is two suspects that were involved. For what I hear, they ran up towards Walnut.
La noticia viene de camino. So, mira. Ya llegaron parte.
Well, Johnny Coco, there is not much to talk right now. The victim has been taken. The victim is a young man. He's on his way to the hospital. For what I hear, he was shot right at the entrance of the store, shot and pushed in.
Mataron a una persona.
No, no, te está llamando el señor que está así. Ese que está allá.
Can I go?
He was shot, for what I hear, in the stomach. We don't know yet if it's fatal or not. So that's all we know now. Shot, 2 people involved, pushed inside the store. Suspects ran on Walnut.
¿Y cuál fue el que mataron?
Artie, normally if you talk to me with respect, I will answer you in a respectful manner.
Samuel, porque yo siempre saludo, porque le dije que no.
Alfred, I really don't know how serious it was. A person I know was inside the store when it happened, and he tells me, but could not confirm, that he was shot in the stomach. Now, stomach, chest area, I don't know how serious that might be. Thank you, Artie. I appreciate that. Yes, Ashburton Avenue, by the Shell gas station, but not at the gas station, at the Shell, a little, going down by the cemetery. What do you mean if it's on News 12? Of course not. It's on Yonkers Voice. That's why you're here. That's why you follow us, because we always at the scene first and we cover things as it happens. And that's the reason why sometimes we make a slight mistake or error, because we are here as things are happening. Not even the police knows exactly what's going on, and much less us. So we go by what people tell us. So sometimes it turns out not to be 100% correct. As soon as I know a little bit more information about the victim, I will update the thread. So just keep coming back if you want to know an update, and I will update if I get it. The update will be posted on the thread and will also posted on the topic.
No está fácil. Mira, ahora no puedo yo cruzar para el negocio. Mira todo. Pusieron la cinta, cerraron todo. Mira la guagua del negocio. Mira el negocio ahí. No puedo cruzar.
Well, maybe News 12, they follow us. So they see what we broadcast, and then they send the crew once they see what's going on. But very often, when they get here, the scene, it's already done. Cops are gone, they film the tape, and that's about it. We are here as it's happening. So what I see, you see. You are welcome, Tanya.
Mira, Tony está revisando la guagua de Kevin, pero no. Esa
Vito, we take no donations. We appreciate donations. So if you want to make a donation, go to yonkersvoice.com. There is a button that says donation. Just click on it and make your donation. We appreciate. Shirley, someone was shot inside the store. Somebody was shot inside the Deli Store.
What?
Yeah, somebody was shot. Somebody was shot inside the Deli Store. 2 people involved. They ran on Walnut. That's all I know. Don't know the motive. Don't know the condition of the victim. I am told by somebody who was inside the store that looks like he was shot in the stomach. I don't know which area of the stomach. You know, sometimes you see blood, you think it's the lowest, the lower part, might be the upper part. That I don't know. And how you doing, man?
I'm good. I was trying to go to the store.
They don't let you in. They don't let nobody cross.
No.
And the store is closed.
What time? When it happened?
15, 20 minutes ago?
Wow.
Okay, guys, this is it. Thank you for watching. Yonkers Voice at the scene. Until later.